just checking out. Can you send someone to pick up our luggage?
Yes, ma'am. How many pieces of luggage do you have?
Only 2, but they're large and heavy suitcases. Oh, and yes, there are some shopping bags too.
I'll send the bellboy over.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning. Room 256. Check out, please.
Are you Miss Tracy?
Yes, that's right.
Have you consumed anything from the minibar?
Yeah, a couple of beers and a bottle of water.
All right. So adding that to your total, it comes to $579.
Okay, I also want to order some coffee from the room service.
No problems. I'll get that sent to your room.
Great. Please include that in the bill.
Sure. Your new total is $585.
Great. Please send me the bill.
ABC Hotel, how can I help you?
Hi there. I was just going through my bill and I found a charge for laundry.
Okay.
Well, I didn't get any laundry service during my stay. I don't understand why I've been charged for that.
Is that so? I'm awfully sorry, sir. Let me get this checked. I'll send you a revised bill.
Please do so. It's very irritating being charged for something you didn't buy.
I truly apologize, sir. This was a mistake. I'll get it removed right away.
All right. Thanks for the help.
Good morning. What can I do for you today?
Good morning, buddy. I'm checking out later today, and I wanted a taxi to the airport.
All right. What time do you need it for, sir?
Say about 10:30. My flight is at 12:30.
Okay. What kind of taxi do you want?
Nothing special, mate. Just the regular stuff.
No problems. I'll have the taxi waiting for you at 10:30.
Great. Thank you.
Your taxi is waiting, and your luggage is already in the car.
Great job. Thank you for the excellent service during our stay.
Thank you. It was a pleasure serving you.
Well, here's a little tip for you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Goodbye, then.
Goodbye. Wish you an enjoyable trip.
Thanks, buddy.